Hey, it's Jennifer. I hope you're doing well today. And we are going to make this adorable check. So stick around and let's do it. For this project, I used a big check from Dollar Tree. The word Easter and the beads came from Hobby Lobby, and the paper did also. And I know that Dollar Tree does sometimes sell the wood beads also. So the first thing I did was remove the tag from the bunny that it hangs from, because I'm going to put something different in, but if you want to reuse that, just be careful how you take it off and you can put it back on. Next, I traced the check. And don't forget the little spot between his legs, because I did and had to go back in and do it. So yeah, don't forget that. Today is the most beautiful spring day I think I've ever seen. It's cool and windy, and it's so sunny and so gorgeous. I have like wind chimes everywhere outside around my house, and it is the most relaxing thing. If I ever see them for a good price, I buy them and find a place to put them, because when the wind blows and I don't know, when it looks like this outside and you're hearing that, is just the most relaxing thing. And next, I'm going to take Mod Podge and apply it all over him. I've also heard that less is more, and I need to learn that, because I do get little bubbles and stuff, and they say that, it's smoother if you use less. So I'm going to try to, take that information and use it in the future. So I'll just press the paper down all over him gently. Let him dry. And then you're going to apply a coat of Mod Podge all over him again. But this time with the paper on. And next I'm going to paint the wooden beads, and I've shown this in another video. I have seen other people use these baskets that you can get at Dollar Tree and skewers, and to me it does make it a lot easier to paint these beads, and let them dry and everything. Whoever came up with this, great idea. So I used 7 beads, and that's how many it took of this size to go, around his neck to make his little necklace. If you use smaller beads, it's going to take more, and I just figured out how many I wanted of each color. It depended on your size of bead. That's gonna determine how many you need and what colors and the pattern you want to do of the colors. And I used a blue, a pink, and a yellow. And I mean, you can add more colors in or do whatever colors match your paper, because Hobby Lobby has so many patterns of paper, and if you hit it on their sales, you can get it for 50% off. So definitely keep that in mind. Michael's also has paper. So I let them dry, and then they got a second coat of paint. And next, I use the Aleene's tacky glue to apply the beads. And it doesn't stick immediately, so once you get them where you want them, don't move them unless you want to have to put them back where they were. You can also use hot glue. I think it wasn't working that well for me, so yeah, I pulled out the Aleene's. Especially because, I needed to adjust them so that they laid right. So I let those dry some, and then I applied the Aleene's to the Easter word, which Hobby Lobby has a really cute package of words, and they're, you know, different colors, and I used, you know, I'm using them for a lot of different crafts. And when I got them for 40% off, like, I was so happy because they're just so cute, and this is one of them. And you're going to want to place, if you put a word on your check, you're going to want to make sure you place it where it's going to be straight when the thing is hanging. I used a skewer to poke the hole out in the chick. Makes a nice smooth hole there. And I tied some baking twine, some twine that I got from Dollar Tree, tied it and put it through the hole, which was a task. So I used the skewer to help me get that through there. I cannot believe how long I fumbled with this. It's ridiculous. And why I showed y'all, I have no idea. Like, I don't know. This is taking forever. Anyway, it's through there, and he came out so cute. So check out these pictures to see how adorable he is. If you like the little elephant here, I have another video where I make him. He is made from a $1 item from Walmart, so check him out. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope you like this video. If you like cheap DIYs, subscribe. Please like and share also, and stay safe.